In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a cabin air filter on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located under the glove box inside the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to make our way to the passenger side of the driver's compartment, and underneath the glove box locate this trim panel. It is held on by some push pin clips. I'll be removing these using a trim tool. Do the same for the other clip. And set these aside. Now we get to pull the trim panel forward and out. With that trim panel removed, we now have access to our cabin air filter cover right here. On the sides there are two tabs. Push these in and remove the cover. I'm pushing the two tabs in and pulling out on the cover. For a quick reference point, these are the two tabs that we push in. While you push these in, slide the bottom portion out and remove it. Now we have access to our filter. Grab hold of it and pull it out. And there it is. If you find too much debris around your cabin filter area, now's a good time to clean it. I'll be using a vacuum. Let's install our cabin air filter. On our filter, there's an arrow that points to the direction of the airflow. In our case, this arrow is going to point towards the back of the vehicle. So we'll line it up. And ensure it sits fully flush in the airbox. We're going to also reinstall our air filter cover. These tabs go on the top portion, so we're going to slide them through. Once these are slid through, secure the whole cover down by the clips. Once it's flush, push down and ensure the cover is secured. We're going to reinstall our upper cover in its two push pin clips. Slide it into place. Ensure the holes line up. While holding up the panel, line up the holes and install your clips. Do the same for the other clip as well. And that completes our install. Go inside the vehicle and run the HVAC system and ensure you have proper flow. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.